Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy HBAR on Hashpack. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to buy HBAR on Hashpack. So, enable for us to buy HBAR in Hashpack is by using Bansa. So now what we're going to do is to scroll down and then select this option. After that, it will then direct you here, how to buy HBAR. So now we can see the step-by-step process. So the first thing that we want to do is to log in to our Hashpack account using our password. And then after that, select the Buy or Sell button. And then select Buy HBAR. And then tap on Yes. Next, select Payment Service. After choosing the payment method, what you're going to do right now is to press and then Create Order. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. You can try it out. If you have question or suggestion regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.